Hi, this is Scoggin, and this is the fourth part of the Bratwurst My Way video, and I've got it already smoked outside, brought it in, and I'll show you how it looks. This is the finished product. As you can see, the bratwursts are all smoked to perfection. They got a nice color to them. This, like I say, is a sausage from another barbecue Mrs. Scoggin went to. This is a piece of chicken there from a previous barbecue, what I just warmed up on the grill. But as you can see, they're all got a real nice color to them, and they're going to be delicious, I know. And of course, whenever you're down here in Texas, you always have to have a Lone Star beer to eat those with. That's a finished product, and I'll tell you what, I can't wait to get a hot dog bun and a little bit of mustard, and go ahead and plate one up and go ahead and bite into it, because I know it's going to be delicious. And something else, what I was going to tell you about, one of my subscribers, Little Gasthaus, and if you check out his bratwurst video, he makes a mustard, a homemade mustard to go with these bratwurst, and I'm going to give that a shot. I'm going to give that a try, and it is, I'm sure it's real good. I mean, it looked good on the video, and how he went about making it and everything, and he has a recipe for it on his channel, and go ahead and check out his channel. And the bratwurst, they look delicious. I appreciate you watching the video, and leave a comment whether you like the video, whether you don't like the video. You can leave a comment whether you like me or not. It's all good. And I appreciate you watching the video, and y'all take care.